こんにちは、さきです。Today, let's try the JLPT N5 Kanji test. I made 10 questions. I will give you the answer and the explanations right after each question. Let's start. The answer is number 3. 月曜日。明日は月曜日です。It's Monday tomorrow. If I write all the options in kanji, they are like this. 日曜日 Sunday 火曜日 Tuesday 月曜日 Monday 土曜日 Saturday。 The answer is number 3. 左。私の左にケンさんがいます。Ken is on my left side. 右 right. 右 This word doesn't mean anything. 左 means left. 光 means light. The answer is number 1. 本は机の下にあります。The book is under the desk. Let's check the options. 下 under 上 above up 中 inside 前 front。 The answer is number 3. 空。空がとてもきれいです。The sky is very beautiful. 雨 rain 海 ocean sea 空 sky 西 west。 The answer is number 2. 5つ。リンゴを5つください。Please give me 5 apples. 2 is a counter for small objects. 4つ 4 5つ 5 1つ 1 6つ 6。 The answer is number 4. 話して。英語を話してください。Please speak in English. 書いて The base form is 書く to write. 読んで The base form is 読む to read. 行って The base form is 行く to go. 話して The base form is 話す to speak. The answer is number one. 安い。この靴は安いですね。These shoes are cheap, aren't they? Let's check the options. 安い cheap, 高い expensive, 小さい small, 古い old. The answer is number two. 1000人。学生は1000人います。There are 1000 students. This kanji 音読み is 1000 and this kanji 音読み is 人 Except for the answer number 2, I just made up the other combinations using the possible way of reading. The answer is number 3. 母。私の母は58歳です。My mother is 58 years old. Let's check the options. Number 1, 父 means father. Number 3, 母 means mother. As for number 2 and number 4, these words do not exist. They are made up. The answer is number 1, 西。学校の西に公園があります。There is a park to the west of the school. Let's check the options. 西 west, 東 east, 南 south, 北 north. That's all for today's kanji test. Please leave your score in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you soon. バイバイ。またね。